Hi, today we're going to show you how to find a print book in Tulane's library's collections, step by step. Let's get started. When you search in Library Search, you sometimes see book above the title, along with available at an alphanumerical call number. That's how you know it's a physical book you can find in the stacks. Books are organized using Library of Congress classifications, which are grouped by subject. For example, books starting with Z675 focus on classes of libraries. Click the Map It button to see exactly where your book is located. It will tell you the floor, show you the aisle, and remind you of the call number. Make sure to have the call number handy. You'll need every part of it when you're in the stacks. Once you're on the right floor, look for signs pointing you towards the stacks. Follow the signs to find your letter and number range. Remember, our book starts with Z675, so we'll head in that direction. Each aisle has a sign showing the range of call numbers. Here it goes from Z671.L7 to Z699.A9. Our book is Z675.U5P472. So this is the right aisle. First find Z675, then look for U5. There are many books with U5. Move along the shelf to P472. That's our book. Work through the call number line by line. Find the first letters and whole numbers. Move to the next combination, reading decimals carefully. Finally, check for any publication year listed. Remember to scan each shelf from left to right. Once you find your book, take it to the checkout desk on the first floor. And don't forget your splash card. You'll need it to check out. If you run into any problems, ask the checkout desk, or use the chat and email options on the library website. Good luck with your research, and if you have any questions, email us at library@tulane.edu or visit library.tulane.edu. Happy searching!